Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're into woodworking, even just on the weekend, you know how crucial a reliable fence system is for precision cutting. Today, we're diving into the SKOOL straight edge guide clamp, a no-nonsense solution designed to bring accuracy and repeatability to your bandsaw work. At $65, it's not just an affordable upgrade, it's a potential game changer, especially if you're working with a mid-tier or older saw that lacks a high-end factory fence. Over the years, I've tried everything from DIY jigs to premium aftermarket guides, so I was curious to see how this one stacks up in real-world use. What sets it apart isn't flashy tech or digital displays, it's simplicity done right. In this review, we'll look at how it enhances cut consistency, its adaptability across different tools, and whether it delivers where it counts: performance, durability, and workshop practicality. Let's get into it. When I first unboxed the SKOOL straight edge guide clamp, I was immediately struck by how solid it felt in my hands. This isn't some flimsy add-on made of cheap aluminum or plastic. This is a well-built, precision-crafted tool that means business. The materials are high grade, and the finish gives off that built-to-last vibe you don't always get at this price point. Setting it up was a breeze. Within minutes, I had it mounted securely to my 14-inch bandsaw without needing any special tools or complicated adjustments. The clamping mechanism is strong and reliable, and I never had to second-guess whether it was going to shift during a cut. That peace of mind alone makes it worth the investment, whether you're working with hardwood, veneers, or even doing some light metal cutting. This guide clamp holds firm and keeps your material tracking exactly where it should. One of the standout features, for me, is how versatile this tool really is. At its core, it's designed as a straight edge guide for a bandsaw, but I've found myself using it in all kinds of creative ways around the shop. I recently needed a reliable fence for a DIY router table I built, and after some skepticism, I gave the SKOOL clamp a try, and it worked perfectly. It adjusts smoothly and locks down with confidence, which is critical when you're routing delicate edges. I've also used it on my table saw for repetitive rip cuts, and it performed just as well. The ability to serve multiple functions across different machines makes it far more valuable than a one-trick fence. It's essentially a high-quality, clamp-on straight edge with serious attitude, and that kind of flexibility is a game changer when space and budget are concerns in a home workshop. From a usability standpoint, the SKOOL guide clamp just makes sense. The adjustment system is intuitive, no fumbling with tiny set screws or confusing alignment marks. You position it where you need it, tighten the knob, and you're done. I've used factory fences that rattle and drift, especially during resawing operations, but this one stays put. I tested it during a recent resawing job on a thick slab of walnut, and the cut came out straight and smooth, with no wandering or blade resistance issues. It also handled blade drift adjustments like a pro, something I've struggled with on older saws that don't come with factory micro adjustments. The fence itself is 3.5 inches tall, which is fine for most applications, but if you regularly resaw timber over 12 inches tall, you might want to add an extension. That's the only real limitation I've found, and honestly, it's easy to work around with a simple wooden addition. What really impressed me was how much it improved my accuracy, especially with thinner materials like veneers. Cutting veneer without a reliable fence is a nightmare, too much flex, zero control, but this clamp transformed the process. I was able to make clean, consistent cuts without any tear out or deviation. It clamped flush to the table and stayed perfectly parallel to the blade, which is crucial when you're working with materials that cost a fortune per square foot. I've had customers compliment the quality of my inlays and edge banding lately, and honestly, a big part of that is down to how precise my cuts have become since installing this guide. It's one of those subtle upgrades that doesn't look flashy, but makes a massive difference in the final product. Now, no tool is perfect, and I'll be upfront about a few considerations. While the build quality is excellent, the included instructions are a bit sparse, more of a quick diagram than a proper guide. If you're new to bandsaw fences or alignment techniques, you might need to watch a tutorial or two to get everything dialed in just right. Also, while the clamp works flawlessly on my Delta and WN saws, I can see how table thickness or mounting surface irregularities on other models might require minor tweaks. But these are minor points in the grand scheme. The pros: rock-solid stability, easy adjustability, multi-machine usability, and superb value far outweigh any small quirks. At $65, this is one of the smarter purchases I've made this year, especially considering how much it's improved my workflow and cut quality. In the end, what I appreciate most about the SKOOL straight edge guide clamp is that it solves real problems without overcomplicating things. It doesn't come with digital readouts or fancy gadgets, just smart, functional design done right. It's the kind of tool that once you have it, you wonder how you ever worked without it. Whether you're setting up your first shop or upgrading an older saw that's seen better days, this fence brings serious capability without the premium price tag. It's reliable, precise, and tough enough to handle daily abuse. If you've been putting off upgrading your bandsaw fence because you're worried about cost or complexity, do yourself a favor and give this one a try. It's not just good for the price, it's good, period. If you're ready to make clean cuts, both on wood and hesitation, do yourself a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tool reviews. The SKOOL Straight Edge Guide clamp isn't just a fence, it's your new baseline for precision. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep building.